Hey guys, welcome to the kitchen. This is Crazy Days and I'm Wanda. Today I want to show you a little quick how to cook bacon in a toaster oven on Pampered Chef, the V-pans. I was trying it and it works. Let me show you what I did. I laid the bacon over the V-pan like this, and it's done fell down because I moved it and it's hot. Woo! Anyway, I laid the bacon over the V-pan. And in my oven, don't forget this part, I put one of these pans under it to catch the juice. So all that is bacon juice. You can use that to cook with. That's awesome, awesome, awesome to cook with. But look, if I'd have left it any longer, it would have gotten too crispy. But look, it's done. And this is our bacon, so it's thick. These were thick pieces right here. This one is a little bit still, because it was so thick. This one was probably nearly a 1/4 inch thick. This was regular size, and look at it. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect. So the V-pan in your oven or toaster oven, don't forget this under it. Please don't forget this. You won't be happy if you forget this pan. So guys, the bacon in the oven, it's perfect. I got it out just in time. It's not too crunchy, but it's done. It tastes awesome. Thought I'd throw this little tip out using the Pampered Chef V-pan. Link in the description below to Danny's daughter Jennifer, who is a Pampered Chef consultant. I'm loving my Pampered Chef, y'all. I've used almost like a bunch of it yesterday. This thing, silicone mat, perfect. I have been burning my hand because the pot holders are so thin and wimpy. This thing is awesome. I love it. So, guys, Pampered Chef is worth it. I promise you. And I'm liking the V-pan. We made zucchini chips on it last night, and they were good. So, guys, check out the Pampered Chef link, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.